Hi everybody, it's Dave Dunbar at General Pipe Cleaners, and our customer service department, they often get the question, how do we actually get the cable back into a Super-Vee or a Power-Vee or a Handylectric machine? And it's really, really simple. So what I usually see people doing in the field is, first of all, they make sure all the cable is out of the machine. Then they take the new cable that they're going to use and they sort of pull it out on the floor so it's all straight, so it won't coil on you as you're putting it in. And then they usually sit down in a chair like this, and making sure that the chuck is open, the jaws are open, and start inserting the cable. Now this cable happens to have a cable keeper on the end of it. That's something which is designed to keep the cable from coming out of the drum unexpectedly. But even if you have one of these, you can just push it into the jaws, push it through the jaws, and then it hits the back of the drum. You just push firmly and it will bend, it will start to coil itself into the back of the drum. Now if you don't have a cable keeper on it, that's even better. It's even easier to do it this way. And then you just coil it in. Push it in, hand over hand. Now this happens to be a 50-foot cable. I'll show you how easy it is to get it even 50 foot in one of these machines doing it this way. There you are. 50-foot of cable in there in about a minute, okay? And I wasn't even feeling the burn. It's not even hard to do. So any other questions that come up on this, feel free to call 800-245-6200 and talk to the Drain Brains. They'll be able to walk you through any issue having to do with these machines. Thanks. General Pipe Cleaners, the toughest tools down the line.